Hello everyone. A spokesperson for Gcaba family has maintained that Sydney Mfundo Gcaba was not a co-accused in the murder investigation and therefore has no side in the matter. 2 weeks ago, the prominent Durban businessman was identified in an affidavit submitted by police as the individual who deposited more than 800,000 rand into the bank account of one of the accused, Mziwethemba Gwabeni, following the murders of AKA and Dibelo Tips Motswane in February last year. The state further alleged that Gwabeni then deposited the monies to his co-accused, with bank statements presented to substantiate this claim. Addressing the court on Monday, Gwabeni's legal representative, Advocate Paul Jurgensen, said his client is concerned that the authorities have yet to speak to a Gcaba. However, Gcaba family spokesperson Jackie Shandu told the IOL that Gcaba was not co-accused in the case in question and said therefore has no side on the matter. In court on Monday, Gwabeni further stated that the police did not have evidence to back up allegations made in their affidavits to the court. Jurgensen said this was yet another example of vagueness and smoke and mirrors that the state has brought to the investigation. Meanwhile, the Gcaba family has since distanced themselves from the allegations, adding that they acknowledged the gravity of the situation at hand and widespread interest it has garnered, and said Mfundo is an adult and is a successful businessman involved in various sectors including coal mining and the taxi industry. It is important to note that the financial transactions between him and Mr. Gwabeni were purely for business purposes. The suspects are Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi, Lindani Zenzele Ndimande, Siyanda Mieza, Gwabeni and Lindokuhle Lindom Ndimande face charges of conspiracy to commit murder, unlawful possession of a firearm, unlawful possession of ammunition, 5 counts of attempted murder and money laundering. They will have to remain in custody and are due back in court next month where the bail application continues. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.